Hey students, welcome to the channel. Learn smarter and remember faster. In our last session, we have read about polygons, right? Now, I have already discussed few points on the polygons, like all the introduction portions of the polygons in our last video. I would have added few sums to that, but it would have extended the video, right? So what I have done that today, we are going to discuss some problems regarding to practice sessions on polygons. Okay, so we will in this practice session, we are going to do few sums related to polygons. If you have not watched that video of polygons, which I have shared, then you won't be able to understand the sums today. So it is very much needed that you please go and watch that video at first and then come to attend the practice session. Okay. So for your I will just put the link of the video in the description box so that it becomes easier for you to go and attend that. Okay, so let's begin with the class. Okay, so our first question for today is that find the sum of interior angles of a polygon with 18 sides. Okay, so over here we have to actually find the sum of the interior angles of polygon with 18 sides. So we will write at further what is given to us. Okay, so what is exactly given to us, we have to write that. So to us something is given, right? That is number of sides of a polygon, of the polygon, right? So number of sides is given to us. Okay, so how much it is? It is equals to 18. So what do we call it as? We also call this as, that is number of sides is also said to be as n, right? Now, in our last video, we have learned about the formula of sum of interior angles of a polygon. Okay, what was the formula? If you don't know the formula, I will again suggest you to please go and watch that video. So the formula was that sum of interior angles of polygon is how much? It is actually equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, so what is n over here? N is actually this, that is the number of sides. Okay, now if this is n minus 2 into 180 degree, how much we know n as? N is 18. So what we can write? We can write over here 18 minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, so how much is 18 minus 2? 18 minus 2 is actually 16. So 16 into 180 degree will be equals to how much? Find it out. How much is 16 into 180 degree? Yeah, so 16 into 180 degree will give you the result of 2880 degree. And this is actually the sum of interior angles of polygon. Okay. And with how many sides? With 18 sides. With 18 sides. Okay. So this is the one kind of sum which is like very much basic and very much common. Okay. Now let's see our next sum. So over here, we had to actually find the number of sides of the polygon whose sum of interior angle is 3960. So what is given to us, right? What is given to us? It is given the sum of interior angles of polygon, right? How much it is given to us? It is actually equals to 3960 degree. Okay, so what do we have to find out? We have to find the number of sides of the polygon, right? So what the formula we know? We know that is sum of interior angles of a polygon is how much? What was the formula? We have just discussed in our previous sum. It is actually n minus 2 times 180 degree, or n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, so this is actually given to us, which is 3960. Okay, now what we can do, how to solve this? So n minus 2 is equals to 3960 divided by 180, right? So 0 gets cancelled, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so 2 9s are again 18, 2 8s are 16, right? So 9 2s are 18, and again 9 2s are 18. So it is coming as 22, right? So what we are getting? We are getting n minus 2 equals to 20, right? Now, then what is the value of n? Therefore, the value of n is n equals to 22 plus 2, which is actually equals to 24, right? Therefore, we can say that n is equals to 24, right? Now, what is this n? Oh, in this sum, what is this is? N is actually number of sides of the polygon, right? Number of sides. Okay. So how much we got? We got n equals to 24. And what we have to find the number of sides. So we have already find the number of sides, which is n is equals to 24. Correct? This is another kind of sum. So previously we have done about, we have come across this sum, that is find the, we have to find some of the interior angles when the sides are given to us. Now in this case, sum is given to us, but we have to find the number of sides. Okay. Now another question is asking that can a polygon have the sum of interior angles? So यहाँ पे हम लोगों को पूछा जा रहा है कि एक polygon का क्या sum of interior angles can be 3540. So what is given to us? It's again sum of polygons, right? What is given to us? sum of the angles, interior angles of polygon. Right, so is it given to us? The answer is yes. How much it is? 3450, 3540, right? So it is actually 3540 degree. And what is the formula? We already know the formula is n minus 2 into 180, right? Degree, which is actually equals to 3540 degree, okay? Again, the same, we have to find the value of n. Now, I will tell you why we are finding the value of n. Let us first find out the value of n. So 3540 divided by 180 will give you how much? It will give you 2 nines are, right? 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, again 2 sevens are 14, right? So 177 upon 9, right? Now, okay, fine, it's 177 upon 9. What we can do again? So 177 upon 9, okay? So what we can do? We have to find the value of n, okay? So 177 upon 9 plus 2, which will give you 177 plus 18 divided by 9, okay? Which is equals to how much? How much is 177? How much is 177 plus 18? Find it out, find it out. It will be 195 upon 9, right? Now, if you go on dividing much more, if I say about dividing, let's see how much it is coming if I divide. So 9 twos are 18. Again, there is 1 5. 9 ones are 9. Again, there will be 6. So the answer, therefore, n is coming out, sorry, therefore, n will be equals to 21 whole number 6 by 9. Okay. Okay. So here the number of side is coming in fraction, but that can't be a true. That can't be true. Why? Because for the side to be a polygon, it have to be a absolute number. It can be either 3, either 4, right? Either 3, either 4, either 5, something. It is infinite, but it should be an absolute number. It can't be any fraction, right? And for that reason, we can say that it is not a polygon. Okay, it cannot form a polygon. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, so find each exterior angle of a regular sided 16 cone. So in our last video, I will again suggest you to please go and watch that last video. I will also give the video in the description box, the link of the video in the description box. You can definitely go over there and find out. So over there, we have learned about the sum of exterior angle of a polygon, right? Of a polygon is how much it is actually equals to 360 degree. Okay, sum of this is totally equals to 360. We have also learned in our last class that 360 degree by x degree will give us what? Number of sides of a regular polygon. Polygon, okay. And what else we have learned? What is x? X is actually value of each exterior angle. Value of each exterior angle, okay? Exterior angle. Okay, so we call it as what, n. So what is the relation we are getting? We are getting 360 degree by x degree is equals to n, right? Is equals to n, right? So 360 degree by x degree is how much? So do we have x degree? No. So from here, so this is a relation I'm getting, right? This is the relation which I'm getting. Okay. So if I have to find x degree, then how will I find? I will find by 360 degree by n is actually equals to x. Okay, this is a relation. So 360 degree, I know n is how much? N is given to us, which is 16. So what is the value of x? What is x? X is actually each exterior angle. Each exterior angle. Okay. So how much is it? 2, 8 to 16, 2 1s 2, again 2 8 to 16. Okay. What else? 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, right? 2 2s are 4, 2 45s. So how much is getting? We are getting x as equals to 45 by 2 degree. Okay, so how much that will be? 22 whole number half degree, right? So this is true. So x can be 22 whole number. Why? It's an angle. Okay. So angle can be 22.3 degree, 22.4 degree, 20.5 degree, anything it can be. But side can't be on fraction. Right? So this is the way. So you have to definitely remember this formula to move ahead. Okay. So is it possible to have a regular polygon whose each interior angle is 105 degree? So each interior angle is 105 degree. Okay. Now, if I'm telling the suppose this is, again, I will tell you to go and watch that video because we have discussed that how we have find out exterior angle over there. Okay. Okay. So this is a polygon, suppose. Okay. This is a polygon. This is its interior angle, right? A, B, C, D, E. Okay. And this will be okay. I have extended it to left. If this is its interior angle, this will be its exterior angle. Now what? If angle DCB is interior, why? Because it is on the interior part. And if angle BCF is an exterior angle, why? Because it is in its exterior part. Okay. Now how much this will be? This is actually angle DCB and angle BCF, okay, is actually forming a straight line angle. Okay, it's actually forming a straight line angle. Okay, so how much it is? Therefore, we can say that angle DCB plus angle BCF is equals to 180 degree. Okay, or linear pair we can also say, or we can also say it's a straight line angle. Okay, therefore what does it mean? Interior angle plus exterior angle will give us how much? Will give us 180 degree. Okay, now each, right? So I know like interior angle is 105, but I don't know about exterior angle, right? So what I will do, I will find out its exterior angle. Okay, now if I find out its exterior angle will be how much? Find it out. 180 degree minus 105 degree, right? Which will give you how much? It will give you actually 75 degree. Okay, so 75, I mean 180 degree, 180 degree minus 105 will give you 75 degree. So if it is 75 degree exterior angle, then what we have learned with the relation 360 degree by x degree is equals to n, right? So we have to see whether n is coming or not, whether the number of sides is coming or not. Okay, if it is coming, then it's a polygon. If it is not coming, then it's not a polygon. If n comes, it is a polygon. Okay, if m not comes, if it is not a polygon. Okay, so n is coming over here. So find it out. We know the value of each, where x is actually each exterior angle, right? So how much is this? This is 75 degrees. So let us find out whether 360 degree by 75 degree will give us an absolute value or not. If absolute value comes, it's a polygon. If it doesn't come, it's not a polygon. Simple. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Again, 5 7s 35, 5 2s are 10. Again, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So 24 by 5 degree. Of 24 by 5 is actually the end, right? So again, this is coming on fraction. So we know that side can't be on fraction. Side should need to be a an absolute value. An absolute value, right? Since it is not, therefore it is not a polygon. This is actually not a polygon. क्योंकि इसका जो side है, it is coming in fraction, and side can't be in fraction. It should be totally a absolute value. Okay. So again, another question is coming that find the ratio between an exterior angle and an interior angle of a regular polygon. So I mean the ratio is already given to us. So let us exterior angle is exterior by interior is equals to 1:8 given, and we actually had to find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, so what we will do is that let us consider exterior angle as x. Okay, exterior angle as x. Okay, therefore what we can say, interior plus exterior is equals to how much? 180, right? Therefore interior, and I know I have taken this as x, right? So therefore interior will be equals to 180 degree minus x, which is exterior. Okay, now what will happen? Exterior, how much we have taken? So exterior, so we are considering exterior angle as x. Okay, so let us consider this x, y, 180 minus x will be equals to 1/8, right? So we have to find the value of x from here. So it is how much? It is coming as 8x equals to 180 minus x. Okay, so that will give you how much? That will give you 9x equals to 180. Okay, and x will be equals to 20. right? 180 minus divided by 9 will be 20 degree. So each exterior angle is actually, each exterior angle is x degree, right? And therefore it is 20 degree, right? But what do we know? What do we know with the help of this relation, that 360 degree by each degree, each angle, exterior angle is equals to n, right? This is the relation. So we know 360 degree by 20 degree is equals to n, right? So cancel it. 2 ones are 2, 2 is 16. So again, n is equals to how much? 18. So the number of sides is, so you definitely have to remember the relation. गिन चुन के तो दो ही फॉर्मूला है, दिस वन इज वन रिलेशन, अनदर वन इज फॉर द इंटीरियर एंगल. बट क्योंकि वहां पे हम लोगों को सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स लगेगा, ईच इंटीरियर एंगल से कुछ काम नहीं होने वाला, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर फाइंडिंग ओवर हियर एक्सटीरियर एंगल. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ईच अगर एक्सटीरियर एंगल हम निकालेंगे तो वी हैव द फर्स्ट रिलेशनशिप एंड हेंस वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ, फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स इन द पॉलीगन. सो एग्जैक्टली वी हैव डन दैट. Okay, so here is again another question, that is each interior angle of a regular polygon is 144 degree. Find the interior angle of a regular polygon which has double the number of sides as the first polygon. So again what I have to remember, each exterior angle, तो हम लोगों को क्या relation पता था, interior angle plus exterior angle is how much? It is equals to 180, right? 180 degree, right? So exterior angle will be how much? 180 degree minus interior, right? So how much is this coming? Interior कितना है? 144. तो अगर 180 डिग्री राइट माइनस 144 आता है तो कितना आएगा इसका वैल्यू? फाइंड इट आउट क्विकली. यस, फाइंड इट आउट. It will be 36 degree, right? Therefore each exterior angle is, therefore exterior angle, each exterior angle is actually 36 degree. Okay, and what we know, sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. फिर से हम लोगों को पता है 360 degree divided by, okay, so we know this, right? We know this, right? So 360 degree ये आ रहा है, right? तो क्या निकालना है? 36 देना है. So it will give me this relation. Where what is 36? 36 actually each exterior angle. Okay, so it will be how much? 10, right? Therefore number of sides of this polygon is 10, right? लेकिन this is actually, this n is 10 for this polygon. Okay, for this regular polygon. Now the question is, I find the interior angle of a regular polygon which has doubled the, तो सेकेंड वाला क्या होगा? ये फर्स्ट वाला पॉलीगन का था, फर्स्ट पॉलीगन का था, ठीक है. बट सेकेंड पॉलीगन का क्या होगा जिसका निकालना है? क्या दिया है? डबल द साइड्स है, तो 2 into 10 मतलब 20 साइड्स, राइट? तो अगर 20 साइड्स हमको मिल रहा है n, 20 साइड्स अगर हो रहा है, राइट? वाई? क्योंकि यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में कि इट हैज अ डबल द नंबर ऑफ द साइड एज द फर्स्ट पॉलीगन. फर्स्ट पॉलीगन का 10 है तो इसका डबल होगा 20, तो 20 साइड सेकंड पॉलीगन का है, राइट? तो इसका आप इंटीरियर एंगल कैसे निकालेंगे? फाइंड द इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगन. इसका कैसे निकालेंगे क्विकली? So it will again be n minus 2 into 180 degree is equals to sum of its interior angle, right? Sum of the interior angles, right? तो क्या करोगे? n minus 2 मतलब 18, 18 into 180 करने पे कितना आएगा? देख लो, 18 into 180 करने पे कितना आएगा? सम ऑफ द इंटीरियर एंगल्स कितना आएगा हमारा? सम ऑफ द इंटीरियर एंगल्स यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? इट विल बी कमिंग एज 3240 डिग्री। ओके, लेकिन हमको तो यहाँ पे ईच इंटीरियर एंगल निकालना है, राइट? हमारे यहाँ पे तो समेशन आया, तो क्या होगा? इट इज ऑफ नो यूज। तो व्हाट आई विल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एक्चुअली the each exterior angle of the second polygon. Okay, how much that will be? 360 by 20, which will give you how much? 18, right? So 18 degree, or we can say, yeah, 18 degree each exterior angle. तो 18 डिग्री अगर each exterior angle होगा, अगेन ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो। Therefore 180 degree minus 18 degree will be how much? It will be actually equals to, yes, any idea? 180 degree minus 18 degree will be 162, right? It will be equals to 162 degree. Okay, and hence this is the answer for this, that is each interior angle. Okay, so this were the total different kind of sums we have seen, right? So इससे बाहर I don't think कि polygons के अंदर कुछ आएगा. There is nothing more. Yeah, we will discuss about quadrilaterals in details in our next session. So please stay tuned, and I will definitely give the link of that video in my description, and you can definitely go through that, because if you go through that then it will become easier. So I hope the last sum में ये समझ में आया कि हम लोगों को sum, मैंने sum क्यों निकाला, to make you understand कि sum निकालने से क्या होगा। मुझे तो यहाँ पे each इंटीरियर एंगल चाहिए, राइट? सम तो 3240, मैं यहाँ से तो इंटीरियर एंगल, ईच इंटीरियर एंगल नहीं निकाल सकता। तो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, आई हैव टू गो फॉर दिस, that is exterior angles, right? तो मेरे पास number of sides है, तो 360 degree by number of sides करके मेरे को इसका each exterior angle आ रहा है, which is 18, right? So अगर मेरा each exterior angle is 18 है, तो interior plus exterior is 180 degree. Therefore interior will be 180 degree minus 18 degree, which will be 162 degree. Okay, so that was all for today's class. Thanks a lot for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Bye. Take care.